Greetings, greetings, greetings. This is Tony Wicks, creator of drwickdaily.com. I want to welcome you to the second video installment on myleadgensecret.com, and this is an income proof video. So let's log in, take a look, and I think with any business, when you're talking about income, it is critically important to establish a timeline. So I want to take a look at my timeline. As you may be aware, My Lead Gen Secret is a list, I call it an online subscriber list building platform. This system, guys, provides you with 100 emails on a daily basis. Now, I want to point something out here. I started on the 12th of October. That is when I paid my subscription, which was $29, I believe it was $30, $30 a month. And then I also purchased a one-time offer, which is an upsell. It was $29.99. So I paid $59.99 to start. And what that gives you access to are pre-written email swipes that are written by Jim Harmon, the founder and creator of myleadgensecret.com. So here's the way that this works. I enrolled October 12th, and something awesome happened on October 24th. And what happened was that I actually got my first sale. When you get a sale with myleadgensecret.com, you're given access to 200 emails per day, guys. 200 emails per day. So after only being a part of this program for about 12 months, 12 months, sorry about that, 12 days. Because remember, just started down here on October 12th. You can see the first entry of leads there. Okay, and there's not a page one of two where I've got, previous dates on there. This began on October 12th for me. And on October 24th, 12 days later, got my first sale. And then I started getting 200 email leads per day uploaded to my back office. Okay. Now, as you can see there, in another 12 hours, I'm going to get another 200 leads. Okay. This is exciting stuff, guys. So let's get into it and look at the sale. All right. So click on affiliates, go to commissions. And as you can see, which is kind of cool, both of my subscribers actually purchased the service, but they also got the one-time offer, which is what OTO stands for that you see there. So on November 1st, I got my second sale. So if we do the math, there's 31 days in October. 12 plus 19 equals 31. So 19 days in plus November 1st makes the 20th day. In less than 3 weeks, guys, 2 myleadgensecret.com sales. These are people from my email list that purchased this same service. So does it work? Yes. Are the leads buyer leads? Yes. These are people that have requested information from affiliates and third parties on websites that they may have visited. And you know how you guys can click that box. They'll ask you if you'd like to get additional information on other offers from our partners and affiliate subsidiaries. Well, these folks checked yes to that. And so myleadgensecret.com has relationships with other corporate entities that offer money-making opportunities, business opportunities, make money from home opportunities, so on and so forth. So these are people that are looking, okay? But they have no knowledge of who I am. So it's on me to actually build a relationship and get them interested in the offer, help them to know, like, and trust me, and then secure the sale, okay? So that's my part, and I email my list pretty much almost daily, okay? And we'll be able to see that on the screen here as I'm going to go to next, my mailing system. And the mailing system basically keeps track of the leads, or pardon me, the email swipes that I purchased, but also it allows me to engage all of these leads with the click of one button, okay? Maybe in the next video I'll get into actually how that happens, but just know that on these leads, guys, there's a built-in autoresponder that will allow you, a built-in mailer rather, to allow you to be able to email these leads with one click, okay? And it also stores emails that have been sent. Okay, so this is real, guys, I'm telling you, this is just a sweet system. This allows you to go from zero to guru in terms of your list size. But again, the size of the list is irrelevant if it is not a quality list. The leads are quality, but the list won't be of value to you in terms of dollars and cents unless you engage these leads on a daily basis. That is the secret sauce I'm finding, guys. When I hear people say, oh, I've had my lead gen secret for 3 months and I haven't made a sale, these are people basically, in my opinion, that are not emailing their lists on a regular basis. So when they get an email from that person, they have no clue as to who they are. Okay? So with that being said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. There is a 3-step program that is in the description of this video. So what I'd like you to do is to like the video. If you don't like the video, comment on the video. And I want you to consider subscribing as well so you'll be notified when new videos are uploaded. So part of the notification is pressing the subscribe button or the subscribe text in red, and also clicking the bell next to the word subscribe so that you can receive those notifications. All right, guys, so listen, my lead gen secret allows you to convert your business opportunity into a profitable money-making business opportunity. The money is not in the opportunity. It's not in the company. It's not in the service that you're offering. It is in the list. So, guys, listen, I do hope to hear from you. See you on the channel, or see you as a new My Lead Gen Secret customer so we can add you to the Facebook group, get you trained, get your emails going out, and get you profitable. Have a great day. God bless.